Good morning, my dear children. Take out your English 2 book. Page number 18. So before starting this page number 18, before starting this one, I will explain you again this chapter, because yesterday I started a new chapter, chapter 3, or walk to the river, and I taught you this part, and I hope you all have understood this part. If not, I will explain you again. See, there was a boy, Kapil, and his uncle. Kapil and his uncle. It is a bright day and sunny morning. Kapil and his uncle are going for a walk to the river. So Kapil and his uncle, where are they going? They are going for a walk to the river. Okay, Kapil and his uncle are going for a walk to the river. So while going for a walk to the river, on the way they met Abu. They met Abu. And who was Abu? Abu was Kapil's friend. And Abu asked them, where were they going? Kapil replied that they were going for a walk to the river. They were going for a walk to the river. And Abu, he says that he also wants to join them. So he asked uncle, can he join with them? Uncle says, yes, you can also come with us. So before joining them, means before going with them, Abu tells them that first he will go home and inform his mother. First he will go home and inform his mother. Okay, so now today we'll learn this part. Okay, so see, soon Abu, Kapil and uncle reach the river bank. They stand near the river. Look, the water is shining in the sunlight. The water is very clean. I can see the pebbles on the river bed. So finally they reached river bank. Okay, Abu, Kapil and his uncle reached river bank. They stand near the river. Now they see, they are standing near the river. No, so look, the water is shining in the sunlight. Kapil says that look there, the water is shining in the sunlight. Water is shining. And also he says that the water is very clean. The water is very clean, and he can see the pebbles on the river bed. Pebbles means a small stone. He can see the pebbles on the river bed. Do you see that bridge? It is very old, but it is very strong. Now Kapil's uncle, he said that, did you all see that bridge? Bridge, this is a bridge. Okay, now his uncle is telling them that, did you see that bridge? He tells them that this bridge is very old and it is very strong also. This is a very old bridge, and this old bridge is very strong also. Okay, look, there is a bus on the bridge. Uncle, where does the bus go? It goes to Sevapur. Now when they were looking at the bridge, a bus arrived there, and Kapil and Abu, they said that look, there is a bus on the bridge. There is a bus on the bridge. And they asked uncle, where does the bus go? Kapil and Abu, they asked to uncle, where does the bus go? Uncle replied that it goes to Sevapur. The bus goes to Sevapur. Sevapur, it is a place, it is the name of a place. Okay. Uncle, can you please take us to Sevapur? Sure, we can go on Sunday. Now this Abu and Kapil, they asked uncle that can you take us to Sevapur? Means they want to go to Sevapur. And uncle replied that sure, we can go on Sunday. We can go on Sunday means they all can go to Sevapur on Sunday. Okay. Thank you, uncle. They jumped up happily and they said, thank you, uncle. So the chapter is completed. So I hope you have understood the chapter. So this much for today. I'll send you these new words. Okay, I'll send you the notes of these new words which you will write and learn it. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.